Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to earn more money passively on Swagbucks. It's very simple basically. You just download these applications that are going to be in the description, plus you'll see in the video. You just hit the video and it automatically keeps playing. I already got my daily limit. There's a limit to how much points you can earn through these applications. I click done. And I already earned today's limit, which is 10 Swagbucks, but it's something that keeps playing automatically without me having to hit next or anything like that. Let me go to the next one. The good thing about these three applications right here is they have a section called short film. So right here on the top, you click, and right here in categories, you click short films. Click on the videos and they're like 50 seconds long, sometimes even less. They could be a minute, but usually around 50 seconds less. And automatically they keep playing, earning you more and more points. In this application, it only gives you 4 Swagbucks. Lifestylz, same thing, it has a short film section. You could go ahead and watch all the videos that it has if you really want to, but the reason we're here is to earn the Swagbucks points. So you go to short clips, and again, you just keep earning points. Sometimes advertisements will pop up that take like 30 seconds, but they just keep auto-playing. So you just keep auto-playing, you just leave them on, playing in the background. I personally use my tablet for this. I just leave it playing in the background while it's charging. You know, I keep watching, and after it goes all the way to the end, I'll earn 2 points. And you see, that's the autoplay feature. Keeps playing all by itself. Again, like not even 50 seconds, 20-second clips. 25 seconds. Just keeps playing on its own. I personally have this on my iPad mini, and this is extremely outdated, but they still work. And I just keep playing the videos, earning. That wasn't even like 20 seconds. That was 18 seconds max. And it just keeps auto playing, earning you more and more points. This one at least, I believe, has a 4 Swagbucks limit. So after it reaches the end, it gives you 2, and then after it reaches that again, 2 more. But you're just earning this passively. You could be taking a shower, cooking, doing anything else, and you're just gonna be earning some extra passive income, if we may call it like that. Passive Swagbuck points. The other one, the first one, let me go ahead and earn those points there, that progress. The first one at least, Swagbucks Watch. This one earns you a limit of 10 points. Another good fact to know about these is that sometimes you could get bonus Swagbucks, like after watching the 4 Swagbucks you are supposed to get here, you could be qualified to earn extra points. After 40 videos, you could get 2 extra points, and then after 40 more videos, you could get 2 extra points. You could get double. And since it auto plays by itself, you don't have to worry about clicking on it or anything. You can just leave it running in the background while you're doing something else or while you're out of the house. You know, you get extra money that way. This is basically my run on the Swagbucks applications. There are more applications. Personally, I have not tried them yet. They don't work on my tablet, but you could go check them out. I'll leave some screenshots of applications. Yeah. I'll also give you some screenshots of me earning points through these applications. Very simple, very easy. You know, you guys definitely gotta check out Swagbucks. I'll leave a referral link in the description. It's some extra cash. I recommend it for high school students, college students, anyone really. And if you buy online, you get points back. So definitely check out this website. And I recommend that. I've been using it for at least 5 years. I have made way more than $300 with this website passively with little to no effort. That's basically my run on the Swagbucks applications. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Shaggy ideas. Thanks for watching. Shaggy Ideas out.